enough.
What?
No more bullshit out here. Quit yelling.
Make me!
Quit yelling and get in your damn house.
Make me! Freaking make me!
And quit busting these goddamn bushes or I'm gonna beat your ass.
Make me! Make me!
Keep going. You're gonna go to your room for the night.
Oh, you're freaking making me.
Get in here right now.
Me!
Get the hell in here. Unplug that and put that thing down in the outlet. Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
I said no. No, I'm staying right here. I'm not doing anything, boy. You frick. I'm not doing a god anything. Damn it. Yeah. Have a freaking happy, mother frick. I'm not uploading this. This is a annoying neighbor fail.